How to make featured photos private on Facebook. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be brought to the Facebook homepage where you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Menu. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then, go to Settings. Scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section. Go to Stories. Over here, go to Who can see your stories. Change the audience to Friends Accept. Now, choose the friends you want to hide from seeing your stories. After that, tap on Done at the top. This means that all your friends except the ones you just selected can view your stories. Then, tap on Save below. Following these steps, you can easily make featured photos private on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.